Hey, hello, everyone. How's everybody doing? How is everybody doing? Um, yes, so I didn't plan going live today, but I see a lot of bloodshed. There's a lot of bloodshed on the street, and I just wanted to come and be part of the whole gang. So, so I'm here. I wanted to show up, on a down day, and maybe we can have some discussions that will help some people. So. Uh, we're here to look at everything today. Just 1 second. Let me turn on this thing here and I'll be right back. Oh, I was on mute. My bad. So this is the first comment that caught my eye. Jail Elon for market manipulation. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know, man. He might not be all there. I don't know. I think he got you know, he got soaked into the environmental people got to him somehow. So I think that's probably what happened. That's probably what happened. How is everybody's portfolio doing? I know your portfolio might not be very healthy unless you are top heavy in Cardano. Otherwise, I know we're all you know feeling it a little bit, feeling it a little bit. It is a bloodbath. It definitely is a bloodbath out here. It's not easy. I'm gonna open up a few other coins, and it's going to get interesting today. Maybe if I did this and I duplicate, it might stay. Oh, it still comes. Okay, there it is. So I'm going to duplicate this so that it stays the dark theme. And then we're going to open several coins here and be looking at them. Uh, I think if we stick to like 5 or 6, should be good. So the very first one here, I'm going to open ETH. Okay, I'm going to open Ethereum. And then this here, I'm going to open Ethereum Classic. So by the way, I just dropped a video on Ethereum Classic, guys. You know, I really want you to be here, but if you can go watch that video and then come back here. It's not a long video, okay? I think within 8 minutes you should get what you need to get from the video, and then come back here. That way, it actually helps boost that video, since it's not a live video. But for the live, I'll be here, so you can always come back here, and then we'll continue talking about all this stuff. And then I'm gonna open Dogecoin. Oh, Doge. Oh, Cardano overtook Doge. My goodness. Yo, Cardano is not playing. Cardano is not playing. Okay. All right. This is gonna get interesting. Okay. And then of course we do wanna have Cardano in the house. My oh my. And also what else do we need to have here? Let me see. Somebody says their portfolio is sad, sad, sad. Oh man, portfolios are sad. Um, yo, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Monday, Monday, I grabbed some AMC options. Every single one of them today was at some point at some point was up almost 200%. So yeah, AMC really came to save the day today somehow. I did get rid of half though. I might either buy back in or wait, but the other half I'm going to wait to see how it all plays out. If it really squeezes, then at least I'm still in. So yeah, AMC for the win. AMC for the win, people. And SNDL, I actually tripled my option positions today. Um, uh, I don't have a lot of information, but I just know that the people who play SNDL, and they always play with their feelings, right? So as it's kind of doing well, it starts dipping, they all get so they sell off, sell off, sell off, sell off. So that's when I get my calls for super cheap. So I got a bunch of calls out there, 50-cent calls, so they are likely to still be in the money, and some of them are 45 days out, some are like 60, 90. I have some leaps on there, 2 years out, you know, $3 calls 2 years out. So yeah, I play it differently so that I can profit differently. Yeah. All right, all right, all right. Love from Cameroon. Love, 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 love. Okay, so let's go and look at. Oh, why don't we have BTC here? So, guys, do you think that Elon's tweet is going to send the whole market down, or is just going to be a temporary shake and we'll be back to normal by next week? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Let me see here. Cool fun world. You only buy shares. It's hard for you to buy options. Yes. So it's a learning. It's a pretty steep learning curve. It's not that steep. Okay. Start playing. Start learning the basics and start playing with basic strategies. Okay. And don't start too complex. Don't start doing spreads and all that. Just you can start with calls and then some puts and see how it works out. Play with small money. Play with stocks that do not are not very expensive. That way, at the very beginning, you're not losing too much money, because every single option call is um, um, a hundred shares of a stock. So but the best way to make money in options is actually to sell options. But with that, you need to have a pretty decent portfolio or pretty decent uh, collateral cash in your account. So but definitely the opportunities are just like when I bought those option calls, was it on Monday? I think AMC was at about $9.9. Okay, $9.9 today. AMC was, let me look at that real quick here. AMC, I'm so focused on crypto, I don't. Oh, it went up to about 13 point something dollars today. That's definitely not 100%. If I just bought shares, 9.9 is like 10 dollars, right? So I probably would have made like maybe 27% thereabout. That's what I would have made. But with option calls, okay, I at some point I was almost at 200%. But again, like I'm saying, your options can expire worthless, and options have a time limit. And if you don't know what you're doing, you're going to be throwing a lot of money down the drain. But shares, guess what? Even if this drops to $1, your share is still valid. It's still there. One day, if it goes up to $100, you still have your share. There's no time limit on it. So there's that. Yeah. And options can be very, very addictive, because you could take your portfolio from zero to hero, and same way you went up, you could come back down as fast. So people like the thrill. So all right, let's go back and check. Okay, so we saw ETH. ETH seems to be recovering a little bit here. ETC. ETC. So how do you guys feel about ETC? Um, so here's the thing. This big dip that came in ETC, I believe that if ETC didn't have anything else holding it up, it probably could have gone back down to $50. You know, so my theory, I'm still sticking to my theory. Whether I may be right, I may be wrong, but I'm still sticking to it. Is that a lot of shorts need to cover in ETC? So they are covering as we're moving along. They are slowly covering. They're slowly covering. So we saw it drop to like 79 briefly, and it's kind of like, trying to make its way back up again. But everything else is down. Everything else is down by quite a bit. So that's the thing. Okay, somebody's asking a question here. Will ETC go back up in a few months? A few months, I'm pretty sure. If the bull market doesn't end. So the crypto bull market, when it comes, is just a wave that's going to sweep everything. Even Bitcoin might possibly go back to 30 something. Okay. That's something that could happen. But this year we are experiencing a super cycle, and several times it's tried to crash. A few weeks ago it looked like it was crashing, and within 3 days we were back to normal. Everything was green, 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 and green. So there's that. This year is just a little bit different. And in fact, Elon's tweet yesterday, man, what do you guys think about Elon's tweet? I just want to know from the comments below. Do you think it's going to have a long effect? Do you think that it's not going to do much? What do you guys think? Let's know what you think in the comments. Yes, Phoenix. Tell them, Phoenix. Tell them. So I'm gonna start playing some music. Let me know if you guys hear it. It's the same music. I'm sorry, I didn't get new music yet. Okay, so Jason said Elon clearly did what look, that was just suspect. It was so suspect. I was so surprised. It's like, come on, guy. We kind of are looking forward, looking up to you in this crypto space. For a while I thought he was hacked. I thought this must definitely be a hack, and I was really confused. Like, how can you lead everybody on and just drop the ball like that for no reason? It's ridiculous. When not too long ago, you asked, there was a poll that you just put up a few days ago asking if people want to accept Doge for Tesla, if he should accept Doge for Tesla. So I don't know. I don't know if he just went very heavy in the Doge, and I would be very disappointed in him, and just decided to drop the ball on Bitcoin. But Bitcoin is the godfather. Like, you hit Bitcoin like that, you hit the entire crypto market. Okay, because that's the most reliable. That it's like the gateway. So you can't just hit Bitcoin that hard, to push your thing. But I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out why he said that, and let's see what you guys all think. So Adi thinks that he's swapping Doge with Bitcoin for Tesla. Oh, he's trying to swap Doge. I don't know if that's what he's trying to do, and he went about it that way. I'll be disappointed. I'm a huge Doge holder, but the market doesn't need this kind of. Yesterday I got the naysayers. Some family members were like, "I told you about crypto. It's gonna crash. It's gonna go back down to zero." Everybody pointing their fingers and saying stuff. And people just need some reason to start pointing fingers and saying stuff. So yeah. he needs to be put on timeout. Okay, he probably did it for Doge. Okay, that's what the person said earlier. Crypto will be back up within very easily. That's what happens, man. That's what happened a few weeks ago. So yeah, we're keeping an eye out. Yeah, but people are being shaken out though. People are being shaken out a lot. Value bad news more than good news. That's true. 17 roses. So nice. Okay, you think you could make way for nice gains on existing future or sustainably mined coins? So here's one thing I want to address real quick about the whole mining situation, guys. Look, mining lithium is very bad for the environment. Okay, mining Bitcoin, guess what? The the mining cost, okay, is only going to be when Bitcoin is mineable. When all the coins are done, over in the long run, it will be very efficient. So there's one thing that people don't understand. It's like, look at this. Look at the circulating supply of Bitcoin. It's 89%. Okay. What is left of Bitcoin to be mined is right in here. 11%. That's what is left of Bitcoin to be mined. After it's all mined and people own Bitcoins, it becomes transfer from one person to the other. That's when it can get really expensive, because if you want to buy and you cannot just go and mine one, but you actually have to go and pay money for and get it. And if the people refuse to sell it, you keep increasing your price until they say yes. And that's when Bitcoin could possibly get to 500K and stuff like that. So, very soon, it won't be long. Guess what? There will be no mining anymore. So that's one thing that people don't foresee. So, all right, let's go on. In specific coins, of course, so many other coins have a long way to go, and there will be coins that will be mined. Okay, but if you are picking on Bitcoin, just Bitcoin, it's gonna end. It's gonna end. Okay, let's see. Oh, we have Tom in the house. Tom in the house. Hold on here. All right. Tom says, yes, I think BTC is going into a legit decline for a few months. Then it will ramp back up. The charts don't look good. I think Elon needs to stop being childish. Oh Lord. People have billions and millions, and this guy is just, I think he's getting a little bit into his head. I think that's what's happening. I think he's getting to the point where he feels he can do anything and get away with it, for the fact that he is who he is and he's done what he's done, which we all appreciate. But it's just, yeah. Oh, super chat in the house. We're going to read that too. We'll go back to the other comments. I think people are overestimating Elon having a grand scheme. Elon just likes to have fun, get a reaction. Oh man, I think you nailed it. You know what? Elon might actually get worse when he gets older. I think when he gets older and he needs, he gets to a point where he needs more attention and stuff like that, he might actually get worse. But at the same time, he's still an interesting guy that, most of us still like. But people have their life savings on. They shouldn't have their life savings in stuff like that, and that can be affected by somebody's tweet who's not even president. You shouldn't have your life savings, but people do, and he's really, 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 hurting a lot of people. So I don't know. So AMC hit 1420. It probably did. I saw my options skyrocket. I saw 200% on some. I sold half of them. I said, you know what? You don't always make 200% in 2 days. So yeah, I still have the other half riding though. I wonder if the squeeze will continue tomorrow. But apparently they are saying it hasn't even begun yet. So if you have calls, you have shares, don't liquidate all of it yet. All right, let's see. This one says, you think it could make way for nice gains on existing future sustainable? Okay, we saw that. That's good. Yes, and there are definitely some coins that cost a tenth or less of what it costs to mine Bitcoin. And this might be the time for XRP to shine if Elon is looking that way. And I did take a screenshot. Harmony One decided to comment on that, stating how they have a no mine policy and they are all proof of stake and blah blah blah. So other coins will try to take advantage, but I mean it's gonna be a while for Elon to just switch to anything. I doubt he's just gonna switch to anything just for the sake of switching to stuff. Okay. My man says SEC is gonna question Elon for sure. SEC is gonna question Elon for sure. Well, they've done it before. They put him under the microscope, but I think there's a lot that he can get away with. So far as he's not actively buying and selling anything, okay, there's a lot he can get away with. The reason why John McAfee is in jail right now for promoting stuff is, he sells them minutes after he promotes it on his Twitter, and the price shoots up. That's when he sells, and very consistently, almost everything that he had tweeted about, the sell time was just, like 5-10 minutes after his tweet. So that was clear manipulation. That's why he's in jail right now. Okay. Okay. Oh man, you guys, man. Oh, slow mode is not on. That's why I'm being killed today. Somebody say it doesn't make sense. Energy. Of course, he should have known about that a long time ago. He should have known about that a long time ago. But hey, he's gotten the attention of the whole world, right? Sometimes those things are priceless to some people, especially when money is not a concern for you anymore. 17 roses, has a lot of influence for sure. That's sure. Sure, he has a strategy. Well, hey, he's still human though. See, human, and human needs are just very different, and sometimes attention could be one of them. So there's that. Okay, things seem to be recovering a little bit. I'm just glancing around here, and guys, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but Dogecoin didn't lose that much value at all. Dogecoin did not lose that much value at all. At all. Interesting. Okay, not yet. I'm not looking at ANKR yet. We're trying to assess the market for a little bit. Not everything Elon does is part of a plan. He's like a big kid in many ways. Very well said. Tom, if you would like to lend your voice and come on the show for a little bit, send me an email in my about section. My email is there. Send me an email, and then I'll get you on. You just bought VeChain. Everything is at a discount, man. If you have cash now, you are king. So again, as sad as it is, cash is still king. If you have cash right now, everything is at a discount. Almost everything is at a discount. But again, stagger your buys. You don't know if it's gonna last 1, 2, 3 days. You want to buy it in different stages so that if it drops, you can average down. You mean so many? Oh man, it's like back when Doge was like 5-6 cents. Elon's tweets had so much power. Like it would take it, 40% run up, and it could bring it down as hard, and so yeah. Oh wow, interesting. Hey, you could explain some stuff too. You're right. So, and earlier he had a poll. Exactly, that's what I was talking about. That is what I was talking about. And it's I don't know, man. One plan, tank the stock, buy the stock, mine the last 11% of himself. Possibly, because if he tanks it enough, Bitcoin miners might not be, profitable, and people might turn it off or switch to something else to mine or whatever. You never know, John. You bought Doge late at 55 cents. I don't know if that's too late. It depends. If you're able to hold for a couple of weeks. Look, surprisingly, Doge Doge has, even though it's lost a lot right now, it hasn't lost quite as much as some other coins. I'm just saying. And for a long time, it was holding up until, earlier today that it started going down for a while. When everything dipped fast, it was just holding up for a while. So that was interesting, an interesting observation on my side. And Cardano is still just calling. You know what? Let's check Coin Market Cap here. I think it's K. Okay, cryptocurrency calendar. Let's go. This might be it. Okay, so 30th. I'm trying to see the Cardano news that's coming up here. Launch mainnet upgrade token burn. I don't really see the names of the coins that are doing whatever they're saying. Oh, STC, blah blah blah. Where is ADA? It's like this is the best time to have money in Cardano because like everything you have in Cardano, apart from the fact that it's not going down with every other coin, it is actually appreciating. So, I'm not saying go do this, but this is what I did. Some of the coins that dropped about a few minutes before I started the live, I actually took like two nice chunks out of Cardano to grab some of my favorite coins that dropped, right? To grab some positions. But of course, I don't know how far Cardano is going, so I didn't take too much. And, that gave me a lot more. And when these coins recover, okay, eventually I'll buy the Cardano back, but I'll probably be able to buy more back because now I bought a lot when they were at a discount. So there's that. Okay, so I don't see anything here really that's telling us the exact date for the ADA event, but I know it's coming up. It's like 2 days away or something like that. All right, let's go back to other stuff. What else do we have in here? Phoenix said people are smart and not dumb. I've seen Elon as a good guy. Yeah, man. I mean, yeah, I don't know. He needs to chill. He needs to just chill. That's what he needs to do. He needs to chill. Oh, you want to see ADA charts? Okay, we'll go there in a minute. Hold on. Somebody said nano under focus. Sunday AMA about Safe Moon Phoenix operation. Interesting. Yeah, Safe Moon is trying. Last AMA, I expected the price to do a little bit more than it did for Safe Moon, but for some reason, the price gets up a little bit, and then you see all this selling pressure coming. I don't get it. They've had electric cars since 1920s. I don't get how Elon controls the market. He wants to go to Mars. Different opinions, man. Somebody said sell your Tesla. Oh man, let's not fight Elon, man. Let's not fight Elon yet. I still believe that he's still for the people. He might just be having a little fun here and there. Who knows? So, yeah. Still down 15%. Well, you're down 100%. No, I'm confused. I think I missed what you said. You said 100% to what somebody said. Okay. Father. I know ETC is going down, but I'm still holding. Everything is going down, really. Selling my used socks for some V-Chain. Oh my goodness. All right, Tom says he'll be right back. All right. I've not done any tech analysis today. Today, I'm just going through the comments to see what the sentiment is out there about what Elon said and how everybody's feeling about, the dips and how everybody's coping. I'm just trying to make sure everybody's well-being is taken care of. So yeah, just trying to make sure everybody's well-being is taken care of today, and then in a little bit I'll start opening up some of the charts for some of these coins. And guys, if you haven't watched the video I just released, I released it when I started the live, so if you can, it's about 10 minutes, so if you can watch it, it goes a long way to help, and then you can come back right to the live. I'll be right here. Let's see. Where is Hazy? I sent him a message again. I don't know. I think he said, let me check and see here. Where is Hazy? Oh, that's the wrong Hazy. Okay. Yeah, I didn't hear back from him this time. Yesterday he said he was studying and he had to do a few things before the curfew, because he's in Canada and they still have this 8 p.m. curfew, so you can't go out, you can't do none of that. So today, I sent him the message just when I started the live, so I didn't plan to start it, so I didn't inform him earlier. So I don't know if he's going to be able to jump on, but I sent him the link, so whenever he can, he will jump on. Elon tweeted, what did he say? Man, I'm getting tired of waiting for Elon's tweets to move the market and whatnot. It's just okay, let's see. Chia coin news up. We'll see. What's up, Vanilla? What's up, my man? What's up? How you doing? Your average is 86 ETC. Should you sell or hold? It depends. Do you need the money to buy, to pay rent, to pay bills? Sell it and pay those bills. But if you don't need the money to pay bills or rent, I think there's still potential here. Even if it drops to, like, what? Let me find the other support today. I'm gonna open it up and find the other support, and then we'll see. Let's go to the 1 day. Actually, I'm gonna do 7 days here instead of the daily. I'm gonna do the 4 hour today. Okay, so we're doing the 4 hour today, and so before the whole big run started, the last support we have is all the way down here, 48. It wouldn't be good if it went back down there. It wouldn't be good. But in the meantime, it's not a very strong support, but it does have 2 touches down here and served at a resistance at some point. So this is the 4 hours, so it's not gonna be very accurate, but I'm gonna click here. Oh, nope, not that line. My bad. I need a horizontal line. Okay. So this is not a strong support at all. It's not something that we visited several times, but it is kind of what we got right now. $71. But there's a much stronger support down here. I'm gonna pick right in between here and here. 47. My goodness. Yeah, I hope we don't get down there. If we get down there, no bueno. Okay. So let me see here. Where's our next resistance? Okay, so our next resistance will be back here at 100. All right, so 100 is gonna be the next decent resistance, and the next support is 71. I still think ETC is holding up pretty well, considering the fact that it is a new coin that has just entered. It's a new coin that has just entered this price discovery range, and it's surprisingly still holding. So I think it's still doing well. That's what I think. Of course, I could be 100% wrong, but that is what I think. And I released a video today. If you haven't watched it, go check it out and look at the time that people started shorting this thing. They started shorting this thing way back when it was $14. They shorted it on Grayscale. Okay, they shorted it heavily at $14. They shorted it a lot more at $28. We don't even have any data after $28. And if they thought $14 was too expensive and they shorted it, what do you think they did at $30? What do you think they did at $40, at $45, at $60? So they probably tripled their shorts all the way up to who knows what, at this point, who knows, and so they are just covering. And with these dips, they are happily covering. So we'll see what happens. And Cardano is still moving. Cardano is still going, doesn't care about anything. Let me see here real quick. Let's go with the I'm gonna go with the 15-minute here. Okay, man, this movement is interesting, and it's backed by some massive volume here, which is good. Lots of believers coming on. Come on, Cardano, on track for my $7 prediction. All right. All right, let's see. What all do we have in the comments? What questions, what answers do we have? With 5K, where would you put it in crypto? Right now, crypto is bloody, so anywhere you put it really would do well. But hey, altcoins, if you want to go altcoins, I like Cardano, but right now, just keep an eye out. There's an event, okay? So there might be a little bit of a pullback for a good time to enter. I like so many other coins. I like Raven Coin, Harmony One, Card Stack, a few altcoins. But depends on how safe you want to play. Oh, and ETC. ETC could be revving up for the next move up. So, all right. What else do we have? Did someone blame Tom of dumping something? Okay. So you hope ETC drops to 15 so you can buy 60 more shares. All right. I'm sure the shorts will also be happy if it drops there. They can happily cover. So we'll see. Is there anywhere to see the data? Yes. I actually showed it yesterday. So I mean, I did show it on the video that I just posted today. I did that on purpose so that when people come, I can send them to the video. But let me put ETC. Okay, I just type ETC short ETC short interest ratio. So here, this is where the data is. So if you don't know what Grayscale is, Grayscale takes cryptocurrencies and makes a trust for them so that old school people who only know how to deal with stocks can buy and sell them just like a stock, right? So hold on. Why is this taking forever to load? Well, this is taking forever to load. I'm gonna pull this one here. Okay, so this is the data. Look, Grayscale, Ethereum Classic Trust. And this is one thing that people don't get. Grayscale doesn't just list any cryptocurrency. They don't just pick no. They have the analysts that do research, and when they find stuff that believe are solid, that have potential, okay, that's when they get them. So they have this, and this is the data we have. The last report day here was April 15th, 2021. The price you see here is the price of the ETCG, which is the grayscale derivative, the cash derivative of the real Ethereum Classic. But they have Ethereum Classic to back it. And at this time, okay, the price of real Ethereum Classic was about $23, between $21 to $28. So I just said $23. And at $23, these people shorted Ethereum Classic to the tune of $5.9 million, and that's 322,000 shares. And each one of these shares, if you short it, to be able to cover, you have to go and buy real Ethereum Classic in the open market to come and cover these shares. So a question I want to ask you guys is, 2 weeks before that, okay, when ETCG was $11 here, maybe I should make this a little bigger. Oops, maybe that's too big. When ETCG was $11, they shorted it. And then guess what? Later on, they shorted it more than before. So what do you think they did when ETC got to $40? If they thought, $14 was expensive, of course they thought $40 was expensive. Of course they thought $60 was the highest it could ever reach. They probably shorted it so high at that point. They probably caused that little squeeze to send ETC all the way up to 180. So this is the data we have right now. I want to know what happened 2 weeks after. I want to know what happened at the beginning of May. That's what we want to see. So all these shorts are hiding and waiting patiently for the thing to drop so they can cover. So I don't know. If you ask me, I feel like they cannot hold their short positions forever, and it's just a matter of time. They have to buy it back. And when it's forced, guess what? The price could also be forced upwards. So there's that. All right, let me see here. What do we have? Guys, Hazy, I haven't heard from him today. Yesterday, he was trying to do stuff before curfew. So I haven't heard from him today. I hope he's all right. I'm pretty sure he's all right. He's probably just studying. Okay. All right. What else? Sorry, guys. I have to scroll down so I can catch up. He said ETC to $15, very unlikely, right? At this point, it's quite unlikely, because there's a lot of people entered ETC at about $100 thereabout, and they're not going to be selling for such a massive loss. And in addition to this theory of the shorts, again, I need to see the recent data. Okay, right now I'm just basing my assumption based on the data that we have, and it does make sense. If somebody thought something was high at this price point, what stops them from shortening when it gets much higher? Because they might think they'll make more profit. So there's all that. But again, do your own due diligence. Do I look at random coins? Yes, I do. But today, we'll see. I may get to random coins in a little bit here. I'm just trying to have a feel for the market and the usual coins we've been following and see how they're doing. Doge is waking up nicely. Doge seems to have a lot of support, man. Okay, let's see. Hold on. Okay, Elon tweeted, guys. What did Elon say? Somebody tell me what Elon said. Maybe I have to go check it. Let's see here. Ooh, my goodness. Look at the 5-minute on Doge. Oh my goodness. The Doge. The Doge. It's showtime, guys. Doge says it's time to play. Oh man. Oh, is it Elon's tweet that is sending Doge to the moon? Let's see. Let's see here. All right, let's get at Twitter and see what's happening. Wrong Twitter. Okay, Twitter. To be clear, I strongly believe in crypto. It can't drive a massive increase in fossil fuel use, especially coal. But that's what you said in the last tweet that you were concerned about, especially. So see, Tom is right. It's like he's just playing around now. He's like, oops, 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 oops. So guess what? I'm sure with that tweet, a bunch of people pulled out of fear, and then whoops. Now people are okay. It's time to buy back in, and it's, I don't know, man. It's getting ridiculous with Elon. It's getting ridiculous with Elon now. Wait, I missed the recent one. What? There's another one? Oh man, this is scary. To be clear, high time there was a carbon tax. Tesla and Bitcoin. Yeah, I got this one, and then I got the carbon tax one, and then to be clear, yeah, I think we got all of them. This is the one that is shaking the whole market right now. All right. 1 second. The kids are banging on the door. Somebody needs something. I'll be right back in a second. I think that was because of Elon's tweet. Replay sold ETC, profited 20K. Hey, profit, take it, take profit. You see, take it. Electric cars use lithium, copper, and plastic. No one's talking about, of course, lithium mining is a whole different topic, man. A whole different topic. So yeah. Somebody said there might be a pullback for, yeah, definitely. That's what I said earlier too. There might be a little bit of pullback, but it still has a catalyst coming up. So there's that. All right, so let's see here. Let's take a look at ETH is coming back. ETH is coming back strong. Ethereum Classic is doing great itself, 84. Doge is leading the way today. Cardano already is at the top of the mountain, waiting for everyone else to turn green. And let's see Overlook. So one thing that struck me today was, I think Binance Coin took a little more of a hit than I had expected it to. BNB took quite a hit, from this dump, and I was not very happy with that. So just wanted to point that out. It seemed to be recovering though. Doge, XRP, Bitcoin Cash also took a massive hit. Litecoin, everything's on sale, guys. Everything is on sale. VET is back down to 17 cents. My goodness. ETC took a massive hit. See, it's like, one thing people have to know is that ETC was not at the same level as many of the others. It's just coming down from a recent all-time high, and it was struggling to correct and barely holding up from $100. So there's that. There's that. Data. Oh, Falcon did a 17 minus 17. Okay, so just a quick market outlook here, and then let's go check to see how this guy is doing with our. So we're on the 4-hour here with ETC, and I want to see a little bit more action. So I'm going to drop this down to the 1 hour. There we go. Okay. Okay, let me bring this up a little bit. I could even possibly get a little bit of a downward trend in this 1 hour. We'll see. Okay. Greetings. You first invested in $6 and sold at $17 like a fool. You did not sell like a fool. You made profit and you took profit. It's a great discipline to have. So it is a very great discipline to have. Yeah. Shiba is a great gamble. It's not a this is just my opinion. It's not a long-term investment, but if you're able to grab it for cheap, you could ride up the wave and harvest along the way. So I play a bunch of coins like that, and I harvest along the way, and then I buy the ones I believe in, and I let those ones sit. So just keep an eye on it. Pretty volatile, if you ask me. You think BNB dropped because of congestion problems? Okay, well, I'm happy there's a reason for it, because it dropped. I don't know what's up with the BNB congestion problems. Every time people are trying to buy a coin or trying to move, too many people are trying to move BNB at the same time, it just keeps dropping. So I think that's a problem. That is a problem. Yep, we saw that. What about XLM? XLM is great. Everybody keeps asking about ANKR. I'm not. I'm today. So today, unfortunately, today I'm not. I'm not in the mood of looking at new coins. I think we've looked at ANK before. I don't fully have an opinion on it, but definitely XLM is a solid coin, and I will take a look at that real quick here. And look, BTC is almost back to 50K. Yo, Elon has so much power. It's not even funny. It's not even funny. I hope he doesn't get too many haters. So XLM did great. It actually did very well yesterday. Well, everything else was kind of not doing so well. So yeah, XLM is still as healthy as look at that. This is the 1 day. Okay, man, it's been doing so well ever since the liftoff. So this is huge. Let me see. So I'm going to do the 1 hour. Okay, the 1 hour, it's all over the place, but you look at the 1 day, you look at this perspective, and you see that every day from a long time ago, this guy has just been going up, consolidate downwards a little bit, shoot higher up, consolidate downwards a little bit, shoot much higher up, consolidate downwards, shoot much higher up, consolidate downwards, shoot much higher up. And right now, what is it doing? Consolidating. So after it consolidates, what is it going to do again? It's going to shoot much higher up, very likely, unless a downward trend begins for a reason or the other. So XLM has been quite predictable since November 2020. That's impressive. Yeah, man, it was 0.08. 0.08. Now it's 64. Interesting. All right, what else do we have? Yes, please listen to the mod. Don't spam, guys. Don't spam. We'll get to whatever we can get to. He said some girl just shared my ETC video. Yay! So I haven't even checked any comment on the video, because when I posted the video, that's when I posted the video, that's when I came on this live. So I haven't even checked anything on that video. Let me check it real quick. Guys, if this is the first time you're here, please do me a favor, hit the like button. It goes a long way to support the channel. And all right, let's see. All right, so the video seemed to get quite some positive feedback here. Well, usually when you post a video, those of you who do YouTube stuff, at the beginning you have to respond to a few comments. It helps the algorithm push the video. But I didn't do that, and it's okay. I think it will do okay. I think you do okay. All right. Yeah, ATC videos do not always do well. I get a lot of really annoying comments, and it's just old school people who first heard of ETC. Oh, it was hacked. So this thing has been hacked. Why are you still talking about this? Move on to another coin. Those are the people who would sell their house and short ETC at $60 because they believe strongly it's completely dead. It's not going anywhere. And then now they realize that their pants can be on fire. So they have to find a way to cover. So that's what we might be witnessing. Who knows? It will get quite interesting though. Someone said, good morning, patient honey. It's patient money. Okay. I don't know what's happening in here, but somebody also wrote something here. I don't know. Okay. Oh, check out cream pie. Oh man, I don't know if that's a coin guy. I don't know if you are I don't know if you are making fun of us or what, but okay. When it gets low enough, you're going to buy 51%. Good luck, my friend. Good luck, my friend. He says, why are you ignoring me on every live? This name Igor, I don't know, man. I've clicked on this name several times. I skip so many comments. I just can't keep up with every comment. I can't. Do I hate you for some reason? Why would I hate you, Igor? Why would I hate you? Let's see. Let me scroll back here and see what I missed. What did I miss? I don't hate anybody, guys. I don't hate anybody. I'm trying to see your comment here. I don't even see your comment, but I don't know. I don't know what you mean by. Um, I don't hate you, man. I do not hate you. In fact, there. I don't know if I actually hate anybody. I might dislike people, but I don't harbor hate, man. No, 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 no. If you hate someone, it's almost like you drinking poison and then you expect someone else to die. Why would you drink poison when you want someone else to die? You're the one who is harboring that. It doesn't work for me. So, all right. This is what money making live. Okay, okay. Binance Exchange investigated. Give me more info. Give me more info. I want to know. I want to know. I haven't seen that. I'm not reading the news right now. Tell me what's happening. Hey, oh yeah, Tunde. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Blessings, blessings, blessings. NKN, good to invest in. Thinking about it. We looked at it the other day. It was a decent project. But right now, a lot of things are discounted. So right now, almost every crypto that you throw money into can become something, right? But again, do your own due diligence. Let me just look at the price real quick here. So today I wasn't really gonna go through all the coins that are being brought up, but since you give a super chat, I think I owe you that at least. So let's see here. 52. You know what's funny? This chart right here looks a lot like ETC. Let's go back to ETC. I'm gonna put it on the 1 day instead of 1 hour. 1 day. Oopsie. Okay, not quite, but look at that. Look at that. Okay. The chart actually doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad. I feel like there was something that pushed it this high up, and for some reason it corrected, and it almost looking like it's having a double bottom from here. So, if you wanna if you wanna take a chance at it, this might be a good time. Always play with money you can afford to lose, though. But this might be a decent time. But it looks like it has consolidated for a while. I would like to go down and see what this coin is about. NKN, or New Kind Network, is an open source protocol for public blockchain. Oh, peer-to-peer. Okay, like BitTorrent, like BTT. Okay. Networks to share bandwidth, internet connectivity. Project was launched in 2018. Yeah, so I actually called out this coin card stack. I like some of these projects that were launched like 2 years ago, a year ago, stuff like that, that have these real world utility, real world solution, projects that are not, especially it's easier to vet some of these coins other than some of the new, Space Shiba, Moon, Rocket, Planet, Sun, all the new coins. It's like you have to be a little bit on the in, how do you call it, investigative side, because sometimes we cannot find who the team is, we cannot find where they are operating from, but so this is decent. Now I don't know why it went up this much, so if you can find out why it went up this much, and if you think it's a good viable reason for it to gain that momentum again, then go for it. Otherwise, be careful. Okay, what else do we have? If I don't hate you, I don't just like you. I don't know what you're saying, dude. I just went back. I didn't see any comment you had posted earlier, and I can't focus on a single person. Okay, I don't for sure I don't hate you. For sure I don't hate you. Just because I don't remember what comment that I missed, and if I missed, I didn't miss it on purpose. Sometimes I scroll to the bottom to keep up. All right. Well, wait until we have the clownfish in the house. My co-host actually has a radio voice. He makes me sound like a chipmunk. Oh man. Yeah. So yeah, Hazy has a much better voice. Okay. Says XRP will be the dominant. Well, XRP has potential. It actually takes a lot less energy to mine, and so if Elon is sticking to these things, it could be one of the coins he picks up on the way. Who knows? How is the Doge doing? Okay, Doge seems to be holding up okay. Elon tweeted again. All right, let's check Elon's tweet again. Here we go. And oh, guys, if you haven't followed, follow me at Moon Tiger Street. Okay, Patient Money, Moon Tiger Street. I have to stress that I selected this name in 2014 before all the Safe Moon, Moon whatever, everything started coming up. So, all right, going to search for Elon. How do I search for Elon? Elon Musk. I wonder how many kids have been named Elon after him. Okay, what did he say again? What did he say again this time? Surprise me. Or I think we're up to date. Okay, I think we're up to date. We got this one too. I think we're up to date. Michael, what's up? Michael, yes, Michael, I remember you asked about ETH. We had looked at ETH earlier. Yo, ETH is huge, man. ETH, guys, the way ETH run up when the big dips started, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little scared because I have been packing. I use ETH as like a parking lot for some of the cash if I don't want to go USDT, because it's been going up a bit by itself. So I've been packing some stuff there. And when the hit started, I'm like, oh, here we go down to 2,800. But, it held up. It dipped quite a bit, but it held its own. So I think ETH is fine. I think the market might very well recover. And a lot more stuff is coming out after Elon tweeted that. I realized that it didn't go as hard as I thought it would. That's when I realized that he has some influence, but he doesn't have all the influence. So Elon can be Elon, and still crypto will survive and thrive. So there's that. Yes, Ahmad, we saw that earlier. Any update? I don't have any updates on it, but I don't know, man. I feel like it could be a pretty decent bet. And if they win, probably much better than buying a lottery ticket. So, and XRP is a decent project. So I think worst case scenario, it might just be forced to become a security, and your coins might become shares or whatnot. But I'm not very knowledgeable about XRP stuff, and so yeah. Moving on. What else do we have? What coins do I have a good feeling on lately? Quite a few, but a lot of things are down now, and right now everybody's on the edge. We don't know if we're going to kickstart the bull run, or we're going to slump into a correction, a massive correction. And usually by this time, look, guys, for the past 3 years, usually by this time, we've started some deep correction. Things are down like 50% from earlier in the year. And summer, everything is slow. Then things start picking up in the fall, or getting to the end of summer. before. Then by November, December, everything is shooting up. January shooting up, February up, then by March starts coming down. But this year, we've been going up since January. We've been going up and up and up and up and up. And this could be the year. This could be the year that mass adoption is, because every year is the number of people who own crypto, the number is increasing exponentially. So every year it's like, okay, more people are understanding this thing, and people are not too scared anymore. Formerly, a scare like what Elon just tweeted would have sent everything crashing, but people have seen how crypto has bounced back several times. I keep giving this example so that you guys can put this to perspective. Last year, 2020 March, Ethereum, if not Ethereum Classic, guys, Ethereum ETH was $114 at some point in March. It was $114. So for $1,000, you would have gotten, like what, eight ETH, eight. Okay, for $1,000, eight. And guess what? Now each one will be worth this much, almost 4K. So people have learned that the dips, it's good to buy on the dips. And the funny thing is, last year, well, with the pandemic looming over us and the dips, people were so scared of crypto, so scared. And I wasn't an exception myself. I didn't know where the pandemic would go. I actually moved quite a lot of crypto into different forms of saving, like actual silver bars. Because when you start thinking apocalyptic thoughts, right? you can't run into somebody somewhere and be like, hey, give me food, I'll give you Bitcoin, when the power grid is down. Or it's so last year was a little different, I must say. But definitely now things are people have a better understanding of crypto than they did before. All right, let's take another look here at ETC. How is ETC doing today? Okay, I think it's going back down again, but let's do the 1 hour again this time. Actually, I'm going to switch to the 15-minute so we can see some more action. Okay, so maybe we could actually get a downward trend from this 15-minute and see when we break out of it. So I'm going to draw a quick downward trend here, and after that, we'll go take a look at some other cryptos. I don't think this trend line is the best, but probably move it up a bit, something like that. It's not quite, actually. I can make it touch these three instead and forget about that last one. So that, and then let me draw another one. Guys, this trend line is horrible, but it will just give us an idea, okay, of when we break out of the trend, when we break out of this downward trend. This is barely touching 3 points. This one is barely, okay, let me move it up a little bit. I'm going to move it up a little bit here. Okay, at least it's touching this right, this at some point, and this right. So something like that. Let's see how long we stay in that channel going. Moving on. Let's check Doge. How's Doge doing? Is this a 5-minute for Doge? How is Doge 5-minute looking like a 1 hour? That means it went up really fast here. Okay. All right. Let's see if Doge can hold above 40s. And so for some weird reason, I'm looking at ETH to determine how the market is going. Because if ETH starts recovering, everything else starts recovering. And I've been seeing that trend for the past couple of days, if not weeks. The market is moving a lot like ETH. Unlike it used to move with Bitcoin, especially when altcoins overtook Bitcoin in total market cap. So that's one interesting thing. One other interesting thing. All right. Why is it so quiet in here? Let's go restart the music. Restart. All right, guys. So I might be on for another half hour today, and we'll call it bye, and then we'll continue tomorrow. Okay, let's check the comments. Oh, we have a super chat in the house. Edmondo, freeze dried food, man. You know what? That could be. You know what? Yeah, for sure. Hey, but silver bars though, you could trade that for your life though. You know what? You could still trade freeze dried food too if somebody's coming for you. yeah, you're right. Let's see. Okay, what all did I miss? Oh, I missed a lot. Just subscribe. Thank you, Xavier. Thank you, guys. If you are new here, please subscribe. It goes a long way to help the channel. All right. How do I feel about ETC? I just released a video about it, okay, before I started this live. So go check it out. It's my latest video. Are you doing a Cardano giveaway? Let me know if you're doing a Cardano giveaway. My thoughts on ETC are, I say there's potential it's going to kick back up because we have some proof that the shorts are getting a little bit, uneasy. So, how do I get rid of this thing in the corner? Oops. Okay. I can't seem to get rid of this ad. Interesting. All right. So yeah, the shorts are again quite uneasy. And the data we have goes all the way back to April 14th. Okay. Looks like April 14th, when ETCG, this grayscale ETC was $18 and Ethereum Classic was $23. They shorted it by this much. So my assumption is that as the price kept going up, 23 to 30 to 40 to 50 to 60, they've been shorting it all this while, and they need to cover at some point. So with all those people needing to cover at some point, they wouldn't let the price drop too much. As it's dropping, they will start covering, and they cannot just hold their shorts forever. So there is potential that it could break through and squeeze them again, because it was the first squeeze that took the price of ETC to 180. It wasn't just people buying on Robinhood. So there's that. Somebody said buying ETC to average down. Guys, so if Hazy were on, he'd probably read some of the comments that I missed. But as the comments are coming fast, and maybe I spend too much time on some comments, I just scroll down and I randomly pick. I don't even look at names and stuff. So forgive me if I miss. Gabra Gracia, blessings to you too. Hey, Mr. Dragon in the house. You know what? What if I created a chart, right, that had this wheel of all these coins, and I just dotted down like 12 and then invested $1,000 in it to see what happens next year. I think that might be interesting content, guys. Interesting content. Oh man, Dogecoin says on Coinbase. I knew it was imminent, but I didn't know when it was gonna happen. Somebody please, guys, verify. Let me know if it's true. I see BSV. I'll take a look at it in a little bit here. BSV. Let's take a look at what is BSV. As a result of drama on the BTC blockchain. It all began when Bitcoin suffered a hard fork in 2017, splitting the network and resulting in the creation of a new altcoin called Bitcoin Cash. A year later, blah blah blah. Bitcoin SV stands for Bitcoin Satoshi Vision. Okay, so I don't know much about Bitcoin SV, but so if this is, if they say Bitcoin Satoshi Vision, that means are they trying to revert to what he had in mind? Because technically, at some point, Satoshi, wrote an email to the developers of Bitcoin saying he's completely left the project and he left it to the developers. So question is, what exact problem is this solving, or is this just a coin for the purists, the people who want to go back to whatever it was before? It aims to include delivering stability and achieving scalability. Something the original blockchain struggled to achieve. Interesting. It might compete with Bitcoin Cash because Bitcoin Cash also solves a bunch of the problems that is much lighter and solves a bunch of the problems that the original chain has. But hey, it sounds interesting, but I don't know much about it to help you make a decision here. We just kind of discovered. We just discovered it together. So, hey Jen, what's up? Do I think it's a good time now to buy ETC? I say keep an eye out again, because keep an eye out. Make sure this downward trend has kind of like paused or stopped. But definitely, if you are buying today, you are definitely in a much better position than somebody who bought, 4 days ago at 125. So definitely you are in a much better position. And if my theory holds, then the shorts will be buying the bottoms of this, and they might not see go too low. So yeah, it's not looking too bad, but at the same time, make sure that the entire market has a turnaround, because if the entire market doesn't have a turnaround, no matter how good your project is going to tank with the market for as long as the entire market is bearish. That's one thing you have to have in mind. Every now and then you have some outliers that do well, go against the market, but for the most part, be careful. Yeah. Still high on ETH, 6K. Oh, still sick. Oh, yo, hope you get better soon, Rick. Hope you get better soon. Yo, ETH is showing a lot of bullish action, man. This whole pullback, I think it's handled it quite well. So, yeah, ETH is just fine. ETH is just fine. But I think if this theory of mine holds, and someone has sent me a message with some more info about ETC, but I need to verify that it's true. If his information is also true, definitely ETC could be a quick double, very, very soon. So, but who knows? Still very volatile, so be careful. Let's see. Yeah. 17 Roses anime since 2 weeks, but only a delusion. I'd have to wait for so many things. Okay. All right, I think I missed the context of some of these comments. My bad. Where is the clownfish? I know, right? I need to take breaks, but I've limited my breaks because the clownfish is not here. So yeah, we do miss the clownfish. Let me check the Discord, see if he ever got back. No, he didn't get back. He might be in some serious study mode. So Moni in the house. What's up? What's up, Moni? You can't wait to see the coins bounce. Yo, we all, man, we all. It's like today, I didn't really plan to go live, but I know that we're slowly building a community here, and it's not good to just show up when everything is green, and sometimes showing up when things are red, I could help somebody. So yeah, just perspective, just share different perspectives, and sometimes it might help someone make a better decision. Let's see, does anyone have an issue trying to withdraw from crypto app fiat, but it changes to crypto wallet? Somebody please answer Valinda. I don't use the crypto app. Which app is it? Crypto.com, or be specific. What's up, Karen? Your average in ETC is 138. I think you're still in a pretty good shape. You're still in pretty good shape. Again, if my theory holds, because from the data we have right now, there are so many shorts who probably even, there are so many short who definitely shorted it before it hit 128. So people shorted it at $60, $50, $60, $70. They need to cover their shares, and the only way they can cover is buying actual Ethereum Classic in the open market. So if those things come together and Ethereum is able to hold a decent price, and these people are forced to start covering, the price is going to take back up again. So I don't know. I say if the money you have in there is money you can afford to let ride for a bit, at least let it stay for a few more weeks, if not a few months, to see what comes out of this, because you don't lose until you sell. And Ethereum Classic could possibly sneak its way up to $200 and settle there. So that's all I'm saying. All right, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna have to skip some comments. Sorry. West says, good time to average down your investment if you bought high. That's the thing. But a lot of new people do not average down. They do not understand the concept of averaging down. They just they sob over losses, right? But there's a way you can accelerate your recovery. That's averaging down. But also be careful you don't catch too many falling knives. So there's that. Yo, thank you, Maverick. Thank you, Maverick. Drive safe. Somebody says Coinbase is going to add Doge in 6 to 8 weeks. Okay, so those of you who have been on my live a few times, especially during the Doge 420 and then the SNL live streams, I spoke about the fact that Doge had a whole development team that was asked to resubmit for Coinbase listing because they didn't meet the requirement properly, and they created a Reddit, which I joined, for Doge developers, and within, it wasn't long, they had like 30 verified blockchain developers that volunteered to work on that. So I did say that not once. So I knew it was in the working, but I didn't know when it would be ready. So it's probably true, definitely probably true. It's gonna be out soon. Let's see. Doge is going down, is going too fast. It is over. Sadly, bye Doge. Oh wow. How is it going down? I don't know, man. It was, so if something is 37 and it's now 42 cents, is that downwards? So yeah, maybe Doge is going down in reverse. So maybe, I don't know, man. I don't know. Doge was 5 cents not too long ago. So I don't know how far down it has to go from 5 cents to get to 42, but you are confusing me a little bit here. Let's see. Do you foresee ETH going back to 4K? ETH could easily get back to 4K today if the sentiment changes and people start believing that okay, this is not as bad as it is, and Elon doesn't have that much power, or okay, Elon tweeted back being positive about Bitcoin, about cryptocurrencies. ETH could easily get back up to 4,000 today. So just watch it. See. Oh, look who's in the comments. Look who is in the comments. Oh man. Oh, yeah, it's a class of 5. Okay. Wait. If you have a class of 5, you should be in class now because you're in Canada and your 5 is 1 hour ahead of mine. Easy, get back to class. Next time. I'll shoot you the links anyway. So I think it might work much better if I get a proper schedule, which I'm working on. I might actually, but it might take like 2 weeks or so for me to get a proper schedule because we're moving. So I'm going to be packing and stuff. So yeah, there's that to worry about. I don't get this question. Oh, you meant FOMO is only a delusion. Okay. Money, I know, right? He's been all productive. Yo, I have a lot of stuff to do my stuff. I have a lot of landscaping to do around this house, and I'm over here streaming. Hey, Bitro, what's up from Hungary? How's everybody? Oh, it's that time of the day. Guys, let me know what state you're watching from, what country you're watching from. Let's see it below. Let's get some positive energy in the house. Today, the market has been very red, and I was very down myself. So, but it's doing okay. It's holding up. Let's see where everybody's from. Slow mode is not on today, so once you put it on, I'm gonna see. Okay, we have Chicago in the house. We have Hungary in the house. We have Hollywood. Nice. We have Virginia. We have Georgia. Wait, are you from Georgia, the state, or Georgia, the country? I'm confused. Okay. We have Belgium in the house. We have Pittsburgh in the house. Germany in the house. Argentina. Man, this is... Yo, DFW. I'm in the DFW too. What's up? Omar in the house. What's up? Omar's in LA. Nice. I didn't know you were in LA. I think I didn't piece it together. India in the house. Seattle, Vegas, Washington State, Canada in the house. Nice. Australia. Yo, there's only 170 people and there's just so many people from so many different places. That's so cool. California. Oh, the state. Okay, Georgia. Okay. Georgia, Atlanta, Georgia. Okay. Texas in the house. California, New York City. So my wife was born and raised in Brooklyn. Okay, her parents are Haitian, but she was born and raised in Brooklyn. So when we were dating, I would be driving from Pennsylvania to Brooklyn every weekend right after work. And I'll come back to work on Monday. Yeah, it was a lot of driving. Brazil, California, Netherlands. Awesome. Another DFW in the house. Yo, DFW, man. I might run into some of you guys one day. Oh, Brooklyn. Nice. So my wife lived on Flatlands, okay? Flatlands. That street, and there was Canarsie. Yes. Canarsie is a more specific description for where she lived in Brooklyn. France, New York. You live in the day. No, I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving. I'm staying right here. I'm just moving from one house to another house. That's it. I'm not leaving. I'm still here, Mooney. I'm still here. Um you are leaving California. Oh man. Oh man. So right beside me, uh right beside where we were, they were selling a house, and well, Californians have a lot of money. So apparently Californians come to Texas and they buy all these houses with cash, and they cash buyers, they always get the first dibs. So it's making the housing market really hard for people here in Texas. But anyway, welcome to Texas. Hey, a year ago I was also a stranger and people looked at me weird when I said I just moved here. They're like, why are you all moving to Texas? So anyway, um let's see. Addison, Tex Dallas. Wow. Yo, how many Uptown Dallas? Interesting. Michigan. Oh, we have a super chat in the house. Marketing leads. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless. God bless. God bless. Where are you? I'm gonna assume you are from the UK. I see pounds there. So thank you. Blessings. Uh, how old? I looked younger. So wait, I looked younger. So that means I look old now. Oh, you mean I look young? I'm not too young. I'm 36. Uh 36, very old. I've experienced quite a lot. Uh Traveled quite a lot. So yeah. My time I think my time in the army also taught me a lot. It makes you grow up so fast. So there's that. Coinbase missed earnings today. So how is it doing in aftermarket? Let's see. Let's check it. Somebody. Okay, so those of you who are new here, guys, uh this channel started as a stocks channel before we added crypto, and now crypto has taken over. So we'll still do a little bit of both because hey, you want to be in everything, and oh, definitely. Okay, so it's going down a little bit in aftermarket. Not bad. Not bad. So a lot of people play this. So whenever there's earnings, right? I like to go in a little early and then play the momentum towards the earning, and then I jump out before the earnings because 90% of the time, earnings are not good. Even some of the most trusted companies, 90% of the time, earnings are not good. So, if you play the momentum, most of the time you will make out with some money. Okay, super chat in the house. Let's see. Do you think it's realistic to work full time on day-to-day trading, starting with 5K? Okay, this is one thing I want to. It's good you asked this question, and it is very risky business, guys. It's possible, right? It is possible, but you do need a lot of luck with you, because look, I know people who day trade, start with a lot more money than you are talking about. I mean, some maybe about 150K. They get a settlement, they get a payment. Some folk from the military who I know very well, okay, yeah, and they go for a few deployments, save the money, decide to start trading, and they lose it all. A lot of them end up losing it all, because it's a combination of many things. Even some of the best traders, like some companies hire some of the best traders who have consistently made money with certain trading strategies. They hire them and they come to these firms and they don't perform. Why? Because when you are playing with 50K and you're going in and out and you are assessing your risk and everything, it's different from when they give you $1 million to play with. Okay, it's a different kind of muscle. You could be down 150K and still make out positive that day. But if you haven't trained that muscle, it's really hard to adjust to. So just to be clear, what happens with day traders is that there are good days and there are bad days, and nothing is certain unless you have a very fixed strategy, a very strict discipline, and you are able to stomach losses, uh, and also not be too greedy, which is very, very, very hard. It's like the human instinct is something that you see start ticking up. You want to wait till it gets really high up there before you pull the trigger. So it's not for everybody. It's not for everybody, and I wouldn't advise it as a full-time gig. I would advise it as something you do on the side and see how successful it gets. So that's all I have to say about that. Just be a little careful. Yeah, I had dreams like that way back in 2014. I was doing quite well. Started with even less than the amount you have up there. Within, I think a month or two, I already had enough to start day trading. On back then, it was Scott Trade. I don't know if you guys remember Scott Trade, but they have been bought by TD. So now it's TD. And slowly, as the money was doubling and tripling, what happened was that I just got riskier and riskier and riskier. And the more money you get, the more money you want to get, and if you're not careful, you lose it all. All right. Hold on, did I miss something? Wait. Okay, market leads. It depends on your coins. Okay, just built a house. Nice. Awesome. Oh yeah, the market is still decent here. It's still decent. Yeah, we just bought one ourselves, but I think the next one I'm thinking about building, because I see it's something that's easy to do here because there's a lot of land and a lot of contractors here, and you can get a custom home the way you want it. So we'll see. Key, interesting, says it's undervalued. Okay. Mr. Jogids. I'm sorry. I messed up that name. Thank you very much. Blessings. Elon messed up every crypto. Well, probably created some buying opportunities for people who were on the fence too. So, and he did not mess up this one. This one is okay. I'm just kidding. Yeah, he literally shook the whole system a little bit, and sometimes a little bit of that is good to put an ounce of reality in people, because when the bullish run keeps going, people get to a point where they start borrowing money, to put in stuff, and we have to be more realistic, know what could happen, and that way be a little bit conservative when you are investing. Okay, Hazy says he's in class 6 to 9 p.m. Okay, Tuesday and Thursday. Oh, so I just happened to pick the. Okay. I see. And he said, uni, that's so British. Well, so Canadian, I must say. All right. What all do we have? I appreciate you guys too. Okay, it's a hard time to the market, but it's doable. True. Okay, let's take a quick look at how everything else is holding up. ATC 82, Ethereum 37. Everything is dipping just a little bit. How is the Doge doing? Doge is actually holding up from that first push. So Doge is doing much better than some others. ADA doesn't care, doesn't know what's happening around it. It's just going. What else should we look at? Actually, let's take a look at Safe Moon on the side. So there was this thought that occurred to me. So coins like Safe Moon, as new and dangerous as they are static mining coins, man. You don't mine these coins, so they literally don't consume any energy. And could it be a new wave that almost all new coins make it unmineable and make it just static mining, just buy and hold, and get some rewards of some sort? So it could like these things could create a loophole where some of these newer coins could shine, but again, they are new, they haven't been fully tested, so be very careful when you jump into them. And let's check the new one that I had called out 2 days ago. Right after I made a video, the whole world decided to tank. How sad. But I still believe this project is at bare minimum a 10x project. I still believe that this project here is very undervalued card stack. And comparing the market cap and what they are actually doing to what a lot of these new NFT stuff claim they're going to be doing. This has 18 developers working on it. Okay, I found out that yesterday. It has 18 developers working on it since 2018. And so it's very far ahead of a lot of these new stuff. And it's just creators collaborating with creators. They're trying to get rid of the middleman, trying to get rid of, for example, this person who, can I go back here and click this? So here you see this, for example, this super chat right here. YouTube is going to take a big chunk out of this. I think it's like 50% or something. But these people are going to create, platforms such that when somebody is tipping a creator, the creator gets 100%. And for them, using that platform, they get value by the coin appreciating in value. So it's gonna solve some real world problems. All right. So that's card stack, and it shot up, and then right after I spoke about it, it's been going down. But I still believe in it, and I think it's a pretty decent project. Okay. What else are we looking at here? Let's look at wait, have you seen this? Has anyone seen FUD Finance? Like, what is this? Actually, let's do something new. Let's look at the new coins that have just come out today. Of course, I don't know what coins they are recently added, and let's just comb through and see if we have some interesting names here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 coins added today. We have WeStarter, War. We have Copusa Coin, Cop, Hanzu Inu. So now this is it. This is what I've been saying, man. Okay, here we go. Somebody's playing off of Shiba Inu. Okay, so Shiba Inu was playing off of Doge. Doge is playing off of a meme. So we have a meme stock with a meme of a meme, and now we have a meme of a meme of a meme of a meme. But you never know. These coins, the next thing you need, they could take off without any utility. What do we have? Rentable. Okay, that could be something. Frenchy network, and it's a French bulldog that I see right here. Papa Shiba. Guys, I'm not making this up. look at this, guys. Look at this. Papa Shiba. Like, come on, guys. Come on. I can't even make this up. It's ridiculous. Baby Shiba is right below Papa Shiba. I'm done. So people are just creating these coins out of thin air, and they just keep coming and coming and coming and coming and coming. You follow some of these coins, they have no creator, no developers. You will not see anybody behind it because a lot of these are just there to suck your money, right? Be careful. Do proper research before you jump into this. Some might catch on and do well, and then guess what? Everybody else is playing off of now. Shiba and Inu and Doge and Elon and all that. So, Snowcoin. What else do we have? Argo, okay. Kineko, Woofy. Okay, we saw that yesterday. Yeah, I'm looking for a safe cookie. I saw safe cookie, yes, I gotta see it. Doge father. B Doge. Blue eyes, white Doge. Like, what is happening? Save rune, hummingbird. Okay, that sounds okay. And why does everything have to have finance? Why does everything have to be something finance? It's ridiculous. Elon Gates. Okay, you're gonna add Elon. You're gonna put something about Shiba Inu in here. Alaska Inu, Space Corgi, Taco Cat. Oh, we didn't see Safe Cookie today. Okay, so yesterday we saw Safe Cookie. So yes, guys, be very careful. Don't just jump on new coins because they are new and buy them. Okay, be very careful. All right. True talk, man. It's like, it's ridiculous how much influence Elon has. Really, it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. All right, let's see. Somebody said whale killer. Yes, if somebody wants to send some links, I think the mods, 17 Roses is a mod, so he can actually post a link. But if you're not a mod, you cannot post a link. So there's that. Pitbull. What do I think about Pitbull? I haven't looked at Pitbull. Look at Shiba Inu. Okay, I'll look at it today. I mean, I tracked it 3 days ago and yesterday. But you guys, be careful, guys. Be careful. Don't get sucked into the fear of missing out. Don't get sucked into the fear of missing out. So because of Shiba Inu, right? That is why a lot of these other coins are going off of the Shiba name, because you will be very surprised that people would jump on and buy anything Shiba when they're looking for Shiba Inu. Okay, they'll buy anything that has Shiba in the name, thinking that's the coin, or just by name association, they think, oh, this one is also gonna go back up. But Shiba is decent. What I'm trying to say is it's decent in terms of social support. Okay, but when I read everything, it's just a meme coin playing off of Doge. But it's built a little bit of a community, and I don't see it as a long-term hold. I see it as something that you can ride the waves. That's just my opinion. Okay, don't come at me. That's just my opinion. I don't see it as a long-term hold, but it's something that you can ride the waves when it hits the lows, because it has the market capital is pretty huge for a meme coin. Okay, 8 billion. That's a lot. And that gives it just a tiny bit of stability, if I must call it that. It makes the price not fluctuate way too much, like 70%, 60%. No, the very small caps can do that. So just be a little careful. All right. What do I think about ADA? I'm so bullish on ADA, man. Look at this. I'm gonna show you. I made a video on ADA a while ago, and it's only 5 minutes. So I will say, go check it out, and you get all the reasons why I think it will. So this is the video here. Patient here, Cardano ADA on track with my prediction. Where is it headed? Okay, it's only 4 minutes and 55 seconds. So go check it out, and then come back. All right. So yes, Cardano. Okay, just in short, right? Cardano is doing so many things right. The development team is they've stuck to the Goguen project, and they keep advancing every time they keep meeting their targets, their goals, their deadlines, their roadmaps. So, Mary Hard Fork was released in March. That is what shot Cardano from 50 cents all the way past $1. And they have something else coming up, right around the corner. I tried to find it here, but I couldn't find it. But go to Coin Market calendar, and then look for Cardano. You find some more info on there. So, all right, guys. I think the time is up, guys. I think the time is up. I gotta go. I got a lot of work to do. I'm still packing up boxes and putting tape on stuff. It's probably gonna be the next 2 weeks packing each day. And I know there's a lot of people on right now, 170. I'd like to stick with you all, but we have some questions here. Let me see. Do I know of Revane? Okay, so I don't know much about Revane. I do not. But when I first saw it, I thought you had said Raven Coin. I got excited for a second. But yeah, I am very big on Raven Coin. Yeah. What are you going to do now, Marcus? Don't worry. I'll be back. I'll be back tomorrow. All right, guys. Take care. And I will see you on the next live tomorrow. Hopefully the market kind of, holds up a little bit and, holds up a little bit, and then everything starts coming up slowly. Man, Cardano, where is it going? Okay, before I go, do you guys think we're going to see $2 from Cardano today? Do you guys think we're going to see $2 on Cardano today? I want to know, man. This thing, it's like all the money in crypto is pouring into Cardano. Peace. Someone said 250. Okay, all right. That's all I wanted to see. 250. That's all I wanted to see.